Hi, this is the YouTube channel for Math Contest Go Go Go. What I want to do for this channel is to build a platform for math lovers in order to make them discuss about different kinds of math problems. I will update a video about challenging problems every day. If you would like, please subscribe below. Now, let's begin. Today we are going to talk about Newton's method. So, we first need to know what Newton's method can do. A Newton's method is to find the root in a way like this, as close as the place as possible. In larger picture, it's like this. It has a formula, a recursive formula, which why it is talking about we are going to use computer science, to solve it. It is equals to xn equals to xn minus 1 plus function xn minus 1 divided by f derivative function f prime. Sorry, it should be minus. Okay, now this code is right. So in this case, we are going to first talk about how to solve derivatives. Or several formulas of derivatives, several basic formulas. In the first case, a constant, the derivative, according to the definition of derivative, is the derivative of fx at x is equals to a is equals to this. Where the first derivative represents the slope and the second derivative represents concavity. So what is actually concavity? Well, I'm not going to take AP this year. The concavity is actually, we call this concavity up, and we call that concavity down. So we are going to, just in case, talking about derivative, we're just going to talk about some easy ones and some more complex ones. First, a constant must be equals to 0. Example, the derivative of this is equals to 0. Another case, given a function x to the power of a is equals to a minus 1. So in this case, it is going to be 4 to the power of 2. We're given a function x is equals to the power of 5, and we are going to find the first derivative. The first derivative is 5 minus 1. Now it is equals to 4. We move the 4 down, so it's 4x to the power of 4. And then we also multiply this, and we minus 1. This is going to be the second derivative. And we just go so on and so on and so on. There is several rules, as we should call them, like the multiplication rule, which fx times gx is equals to f prime x times gx plus g prime x times fx. And the chain rule. And the divide rule, which is fx, and the division rule, we call them. Which is given a function fx divided by gx is equals to gx times f prime x minus fx times g prime x divided by gx squared. So these are some commonly used derivative formulas. Actually, there are actually more. Yes. So first, we are going to talk about, back to the topic. Let's make an example of how to calculate Newton's method, which is x cubed plus 5x minus 7. We give the approximate value. We call this 1. And we give his first derivative is 3x squared plus 5. And the value of this is negative 1. So we are going to given x2 is equals to 1 minus negative 1 divided by 3 times 1 squared plus 5 is equals to 8. So it is equals to this for the first value. And x3 is equals to, we plug this in this, 1 plus 1.125 minus the value of this times divided by the value of this. And we get the sec x3. So we just go on and we can get the result deeper and deeper. So it is now the introduction of Newton's method, and now we are going to talk about how to access it through code. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!